Bahay na Bato or House of Stone is a historical architectural style that flourished during the Spanish colonial period in Iloilo. These ancestral homes not only reflect colonial influence but also the craftsmanship of local builders. They symbolize a fusion of indigenous and European styles and continue to shape Iloilo's cultural identity and heritage tourism. Historical background. The Bahay na Bato evolved from the native Bahay Kubo, modified under Spanish influence to withstand earthquakes and colonial lifestyle demands in Iloilo, especially in Haro and Molo districts. Many such homes were built in the late 19th to 20th centuries by Ilustrado families. These houses were passed down through generations with stories of revolutionaries, Spanish clergy, and Filipino elite echoing in their halls. Materials and techniques. Here in Iloilo, the most iconic hand-woven textile is sablon, a beautiful, colorful fabric made from threads of cotton, abaca, and even silk or polyester today. Cultural significance. These houses were symbols of status, venues for communities' gatherings, and spaces for cultural rituals like fiestas, baptism, and wakes. Bahay na Bato reflects Iloilo's adaptation of Spanish influence while preserving Filipino values of families and hospitality. Today, restored homes serve as museums or cultural spaces, keeping the tradition alive. Community and industry connection. Skilled local carpenters and masons, often from family guilds, were integral in constructing these homes. Today, heritage conservationists, tourism offices, and local businesses work together to preserve these structures. Tours, events, and restoration projects help boost local income and create awareness of Iloilo's cultural wealth.
Today, the Kaminyan Balay nga Bato helps keep this textile culture alive. The family supports local weavers and even sells sablon in their shops. Some pieces are turned into scarves, shawls, or modern barong, helping bringing tradition into today's fashion. Each textile you see here carries a story of the hands that wove it, the culture that shaped it, and the family that kept it alive. That's what makes this house not just a heritage site, but a keeper of Iloilo's proven soul.